This is the GM80. You see, very beautiful new harvester. And you can see all information is English. They have a lot of informations. Also in the display, inside is English showing your informations. This is a very good harvester, and everywhere they protect it very well. They use some oil to protect on the sea. This is a very good product. 大会儿吃多了的硬。
现在这货一般都带活体哈，
都是到港口发现不带活体不好卸。
还挺不协商了。你给弄下来。
我开始我还担心他这个爬梯短呢。
右边这个轮子大的，看不着。
3.5米。
别超这个这个，咱不超这个。3.5啊。 就让他晾上去，他有。反正这台是不行，我们这不拆了吗？
超宽，这个台超宽了。
这边超宽，我们拆了。这大娃的还不平溜啊，这个好像。 这个。
Okay, today we're back to the factory. This is our third factory to protection the some small parts such as hiders, corn hiders. You see this one? This one is one of the corn hider. It is to equipped with the Lovol's GM80. GM80 is a combined harvester. It not only harvests wheat, it also can harvest corn and soybean. Just need to change the hider. So I'm taking you to see there. You see the back. Here you can see. Here is very important because different harvesters, the contact part is different. Not only this they also the transport systems for power transport is different. So for different harvesters, we need to do some OEM order different decisions. Not only for combine, we also doing corn hider for the rest harvester. It is used very good. You know, corn harvester. The most important technique is the hider. Hider better, then you will get a good harvesting result. The corn hider have a lot of different technicals. They are different using for different corn and different growing time the corn. So if you want to know more information about the corn hider or combine harvester, you can share us information. We will reply you.
哦，这先这往这里，先这点抓上。好，我得往东走的。好，快背走。